Hi, Damien with QA1 coming to you from SEMA 2024, taking a look at our new 3rd Gen F-body offering for 82 to 92 Camaro Firebird. Starting in the back here, we've got our panhard bar, adjustable panhard bar on car, rear sway bar, rear coilover kit, adjustable lower trailing arms. We've got a new torque arm design to work with aftermarket as well as stock housings, relocating the torque arm mount off of the transmission onto a new cross member. We've got a handful of cross members available that will allow for multiple different GM options, transmission options to be used with that. So your 700R4, Turbo 350, 4L60, 4L80, T56. Moving on, we've got our bolt-on subframe connectors. So those are powder-coated black, come with all the hardware and nut plates necessary to bolt those onto your car, and they will work with inside the frame and outside the frame exhaust. Moving up front, we've got a new K-member with spring sliders. So we've got an inboard spring option there. Allows you to get a lot of negative camber with the struts on the car without having to cut up the tower at all. The K-member itself features interchangeable engine mounts, allowing for small block, LS, LT, as well as big block engine options in there. The strut tower brace helps tie the strut towers together and reinforce the front end, along with the Wonder Bar or steering brace that a lot of these cars came with, the new front sway bar, and bump steer kit as well. For more information on this, check out QA1.net.